Hi friends, today we are with a new external SSD. This is by MiPhi Semiconductors, which is a strategic joint venture between Micromax, Informatics and Phison technology. The model is Strom 1100X external SSD. It will be coming in two models, 1TB and 2TB. We got the 1TB model to review. Let's check out what are the box contents. So inside the box we are getting one USB 3.2 and to Type C, and the second cable is Type C to Type C. So these are the two cables which we are getting. This is the Type C to Type C cable. It is inside the box, and also we are getting one USB 3.2 to Type C cable. So these are the two cables which are present inside it, and it supports high speed transfer which is up to 10 Gbps while also maintaining backward compatibility with 3.2 Gen 1, USB 2.0 and USB 1.1, ensuring that the broad connectivity across the various devices. Now here is the external SSD. It is very small. The length is 2.56 inches and the width is 1.68 inches. So this is the length and width. It comes with the one LED light. Now if you compare with the traditional hard disk of Western Digital Seagate, so you can see how small, how thin the new one is. The next generation is definitely very smaller in size. Now this is the Western Digital external SSD which I already have. You can see if you compare one on one, the Western Digital one is a very lighter one, but the MiPhi one is little bit heavy. It is smaller. The reason of being heavy is the durable metal body design. It is completely metal, whereas the WD which you are seeing is lighter because it is made of plastics, and it compromises the durability. If you ask me, the MiPhi external SSD can resist up to 2 meter of drop, which is missing from all these three. So the data protection is more in this MiPhi external SSD rather than other three. Now coming to the compatibility, the Strom 1100X is compatible with the iPhone 16. I can show you. This is how you can see. It depends on which kind of file format it supports. So definitely some files are not readable here. The format is very important. But here you can see Strom 1100X. It is supportable directly. You can plug and use through your iPhone 16 models, and you have to use just Type C cable which comes inside the box, Type C to Type C cable, and it is very useful to transfer all the media files directly through the external SSD because it is compatible with your phone. And the best part is that it is compatible with iPhone, and where you can access the app name is Files. Go to the app name called Files, and here you can see the storage and complete detail of the hard disk, and just plug it out and you can see the external hard disk is gone. Now even with the compatibility with Android, yes, with Android it also works. I will give you the exact compatibility requirements in the description section, so do check it out. But the phone I am using with Android, the phone I am using with iPhone, in both the MiPhi external SSD is working. Here you can see the video file is also can be played, but when I was using in iPhone, the video file was missing. So it depends on the compatibility of the file which your smartphone supports. So that is a big thing. And to access all the external SSD, you have to go to the Files app in the Android phone. Now another big plus point is that it supports iPad OS 2. So this is the iPad in the new generation, and I will show you. It is connected with the same Type C cable, and you can see Strom 1100X is there. Now the same video files are not visible, so you can understand it is completely depends upon the compatibility. Even you can rename, format. So there are small minute features you get in each devices. Now the best part is that it is compatible with iPhone, it is compatible with the iPad, and it is compatible with the Android. So all kind of portable devices what I have, it is compatible. Now it's time to check with the laptops which are running with the macOS and Windows OS. So currently first I will plug it with the macOS and see how it works or not, and does it read or not. So I'm just plugging with the macOS. This is the MacBook Air, and you can see it takes a few seconds and you can see the hard disk it displayed, and you can get the complete info of it. Now what we got is a 1 TB storage. You can see you can even format it into NTFS, into FAT32 or exFAT. Currently what we got by default was with exFAT. Now let's check out with the Windows machine, and you can connect it with the Type-C port also and the USB 3.2 port also, which also is also compatible with USB 2.0, USB 1.1 and USB 3.2 Gen 1. The name Strom 1100X is given because it comes with the read speed sequential of 1100 Mbps, and write speed also comes with 1100 Mbps, which gives you a rapid data transfer rate. And here you can see a real-time transfer of nearly 3 GB of file. It just came like a smooth. Within of seconds it transfers to the SSD, and also I transferred back to my laptop, so it won't take much time. And the Strom X, the 1100X, the best part is that it is compatible with Windows, with macOS. I already showed you with iPad OS and also Android OS and iPhone too. So it supports multiple platforms, and it is very small in size. The thickness of this external SSD is 11 mm. Now these are some of the benchmark which I have tried and tested, and you can pause the video and check how the MiPhi external SSD shows on the number. So this is all the number game which people are looking for. One of the important thing that it comes with a robust metal body, and it also has LDPC ECC error correction, which is the built-in thermal sensor to optimize the temperature management, ensuring the consistent performance under heavy workload. I will definitely show you the temperature change for using this hard disk for a longer time, and for that time, in the meanwhile, you can check the hard disk, all the benchmarks what is available for this MiPhi external SSD. And the best part is that you are getting a 5 years of warranty on this external SSD. Now last but not the least, I will do the crystal disk management test. In this I will switch to the external hard disk once I have done, and I will start all the recording, and I will definitely fast forward to show you the benchmark of this hard disk, and you will get a proper idea how good or bad it is. Currently it is in the C drive it is showing. We will switch to the D drive, which is the external SSD, and you can see the LED light is blinking on the MiPhi. This external SSD will come only in one color, which is a dark grey color. It is available on Amazon. The 1 TB model variant is available for 12,999. The price for the 2 TB variant is still not revealed yet, but I still think that it will be a good pricing considering this one. And the best part is the form factor. The weight is 116.5 gram. While formatting, we were getting option of exFAT and NTFS. So it is up to you which kind of format you want to use for external SSD. Now let's talk about the heating test. The SSD operates with a temperature range of 0 degree to 70 degrees Celsius, and currently you can see it is around 32 degrees Celsius before using it. And talking about the storage condition, it can go up to minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, and the humidity resistance is from 20% to 90%. This is the temperature change, nearly 5 degree temperature change after using for half an hour. As I have already told you that it comes with the thermal sensor optimizer for the temperature management. Now this is a bonus content. I am showing you that this external SSD is also compatible with the Fire OS. This is the Fire Cube. So the first time I have plugged in, it shows that it is not compatible. Then I have to format it, Once the formatting is been done, it will take very few seconds. Once the formatting is done, then it will be running on FAT32. I will transfer few data on my external SSD. Once it is done, it will ask to read the new external storage, and all my media files can be now readable and you can play them on the TV very easily. Now the best part is that this external SSD not only supports Windows and Mac OS, but it also supports iOS, iPad OS and Fire OS, which I have shown you. So this is all about the MiPhi's external SSD, which is a 1 TB model, comes with the 5 years of warranty, and also it comes with the 1100 Mbps of read and write capability. So this is all about in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.